Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, my name is Iandra Baburam. I think I need to say this every time I go start one new video because I have new subscribers. I get new subscribers every day and people call me Landra, Leandra, all sort of stuff. Enough people really and truly can't pronounce my last name. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Iandra Baburam. Yeah. But guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. But then with a prank phone. I know I miss the prank them. So you know the prank that we are go around? TMI. You know the prank that we are go around where you tell a partner set the trash right after when you do it? I'm gonna do that today. For me, I don't necessarily right after because I went to the bathroom and I took a bath. But I mean, it can still get done because you can call it still right after. So I'm gonna do that prank there right now. Babe?
Yeah?
Can some want a peanut chew shake?
Yeah, come on.
Think it's just as nice as the vanilla. Vanilla nicer. Babe,
Yeah?
come here. Oh my.
I'm tell us you call me name all 2 million times in one day.
I'm gonna just start with it. Beep. Too far.
Oh.
You don't make it wasn't like that.
So wait, where you took up my sin for you to say?
Babe, I don't love it. You drink,
So
taste
where you
it.
put it there so far?
You don't want it?
No, me didn't tell you want it.
Brr.
That's the come from?
No. If you drink it, although you don't lose no money for energy still.
Bro, what you, bro?
Babe.
You where you come from?
Come sit down with me now.
Bro, you just smell quiet.
Baby, can't sit down with me.
Alright, I sit down on this and I sit down on this.
You say you're hard.
What me hard it?
Come sit down with me now.
What? Yo, after man, no want to see you.
I say you want one time, uno.
You know what?
Uno man, uno.
You know what? You don't know nothing about man. We are man, you don't know nothing about we. You don't know what we tell them.
All of me a beard and me a think to myself, me I say,
No.
come on, spit out.
Bro, you not consider another you see and I think you
Alright, remember lucky, yeah. Come on, you come keep me company.
We do what though?
You come keep me company, no, please.
Bro, you're not friends. We can't be a friend no more, G. Last time
You say you're full of chat, me can never put all of them big chat
no
after
concept
work.
Oh, I don't have no time to explain nothing to you right now. Why would me I watch the show last night? I the press this now to press play. Not gonna tell me that.
Jason,
You don't watch no show, nobody tell me nothing. Nobody tell me nothing. So wait, let me go sit down and say.
What
Let me
on
sit
there?
down and do.
Jason, and me,
Yeah, ask you this time.
babe, what on
Me not want to nothing.
babe, and me, watch what the show, investigating show with the journalist and the
Oh,
man and the
second one.
Babe, me never agree to watch the second show with you. Me watch one show.
What?
They say you're full of energy and I will
What?
give me that the energy there.
So what?
Me don't know what
Oh, I test me a look. Must test me a look. What happened to that?
Ask you, you just give me that soap.
Bro, you can't, you're gonna text me, you know?
In a
You're gonna
bathroom.
text me, you know?
Me in a bathroom and me have to say, what is that?
You're
Me
gonna
just
text
get.
me, you know?
I don't want to text me everything I see. Me I say, what is that? Me
Email
just
the
get.
manager then. Bro,
What you have to say?
we have to say what?
Me in a bathroom and me I say, what did they just give me?
What?
What was that?
Oh, what?
Babe, that was trash.
So what? You know, get to me and say, so what? When we want to want this? I want this?
If you did only have them energy there in a bedroom,
I want test me just feel.
could you find them the energy where you have a talk to me? Could you have them the energy there when you give me a while ago?
Well, I love to check my stomach and see me from Mari. You know? Where you want? You want cracker? You want crackers that? Oh, bread and Nutella.
Banana.
You know, I find out
You like your bread, Nutella, banana and tea?
your style is anytime you give me no food, if you look out, you want jerky back out of it. So when I give you bread and Nutella, I get 5 minutes. I got you to thank you know.
Baby, off.
No. But that's what I said.
Every time you hear food, we're drinking, we're going to
No, babe, almost every time you cook, babe,
Stop.
no, you want jerky back out of me, bro. I just feel like me want utensil and you just use me.
Baby, you're doing that like that. Don't ever say that.
Why you laugh like you know say you have to tell the truth?
Yeah. Babe, didn't get no feed from morning.
Babe, alright, hold on. I'm going to be factual. 2 slices of wheat bread. So don't tell you that. When you start from... So that, so 2 banana, that means I'm supposed to go 30 miles.
I'm making a tea. Green tea.
That's the first mistake you make. Me tell you someone that if you drink more green tea, or me just go off my chest.
Just waste tea, so. And you just eat cinnamon crackers and drink tea again.
Bro, because gas did that kill me. No, but you never have to do no food now. Me just as say, yeah, complain about it. You know, so I'm not really to worry on the food for a minute. So what you want cost about 3 minutes, 2 minutes, a minute.
No, I never did the amount of time.
Oh, what?
It was just the work we put in.
You're lucky and every day you have to work good. Mommy say every day bucket a go away one day but I must chop out. Me could have go on. When you want, you 100% every time. Every time you charge your phone to 100. At least what?
Babe, me get like...
Bro, if you did
10.
10, you get enough. I wasn't even feeling 1. You get enough. You're lucky me actually participate.
You never did feel it with me?
I was not in the vibe.
Because of what?
Bro, so when I'm in the vibe, what? You have to
My
listen.
fault?
Why you can't listen? Why every time you talk, you can't listen? Listen what me say and stop. Put words in my mouth and stop talking. Listen.
You have energy now.
You're lucky. Because you annoy me. I'm in reserve with the man. Me say I wasn't in the mood.
Yeah, watch you.
You don't continue to watch me. That's what me feel. First, you tolerate the exhaustive mood of my exam.
Babe, you see?
No, I can't see.
Be a man. You should at least carry me back in that bedroom and do what you need to do properly.
You know what I wish I could have do?
No, babe. You're roasting. Stop me.
No, you're not roasting. You're not roasting. You're not even listening to what I say. You see, yeah, assume again.
Alright, we are
Wish
good.
we could have just lock you out. And you talk from our own side.
Why?
Then because we are saying make no sense.
Oh, it don't make no sense.
Bro, when we support, you may have to have again. It's a job me apply for, I'm supposed to put in the best performance.
You don't have to give me best performance,
Oh, what?
but just put effort in it. That was trash.
Well, big up yourself. It's a walking trash then. And let me tell you all the while, you know, the one time you do this right, that means I make the garbage. You see who me I watch
So, babe, you know yourself feel like you never do it right away.
Am I trying to win something? It me ask you. Me didn't want an award. Me didn't want an award.
Calm down.
Not tell me if you calm down. You ask me did want an award. Did I want an
We
award?
can do this again.
You do what again? You left me alone. Yeah.
Babe, calm down. We can do this again.
Bro, just you kind of man leave me alone.
This time I'll do the work.
This time what? My next appointment, the doctor not fill you out it.
That's not funny.
I wasn't trying to
You think you eat a while ago, no? That
I was
not
not
make
trying
it.
to be, you know, listen me I talk to you. Since you was trashing on my... Rose, you see what I tell you? Stop all and pull me.
Come on.
Thump on who?
Sorry.
What you tell me sorry for? You just not hear me I say. You not hear me I say. You're not hearing what I'm saying. You can't go back and lie down. You can't go back and lie down. Look on what? No, we don't want to look. That you do look where I see them. What happen? Trash.
Yeah, look here.
Look where.
Right here, so.
What do they?
Your future.
My future supposed to be in there. My future supposed to be in there. And we can't stop my future, so. Bro, you're in a tie, so I'm supposed to have a bar. You just left me alone, no man. Oh my God. In your heart now, I can't go be fun.
I used to feel like coffee.
Bro, the AC has stifled me.
No, all your talks are strong and them they stop, they never strong a while ago.
Yeah, you see, you know, you just, I try to get to me, I can't handle that. Just ease up. I'm going to drink some water. Bro, you know what I'm doing, you're supposed to give thanks. Bro, some foolishness, man. Me lick you with the buckle, you know. Yeah, you never tap me that thing in.
Why?
We never buy 2 bottles of water.
No.
Man.
We need water.
You can't just take it here and just go drive, go do it.
Jason, why you answer that to me?
Let me say what?
The earthful thing there.
Why hurtful thing?
You can't go drive by myself.
If you could have drive, you're not gonna go do it, so what hurtful now? See, 2 bottles of water empty. Yeah, go put up the water then. So you know all that hot now? So when the night come, I told when you I try to wake me up. First I'm gonna kill you. But you see, you don't know why in your brain, you know. But you fly high, fly low, you know. You better leave me alone, let me sleep. How what? Take off, huh?
Take off my shirt.
How what that I go do? What did I go do? What did I go do? That's the answer.
Remember a while ago, my trick came to me?
Bro, I need to feel it.
Remember something?
No. You know what we need you to do? And that will fix it. Go fully water them. Just
Yes,
try.
I turn me down.
Drive out the car for the
Yeah,
water.
turn me down.
Drive out the water.
Yeah, turn me down.
Drive out the car.
And me, I turn down.
No, me
Me not ask 2 times, come give me. Come in, go in our room. Just go in our room and take off your clothes.
If I see you plan to talk to her, pick you when you surround, you see? You're going to have one rough piece of parenting. You know why? No little authority there, boys.
Babe, can you go in the room and
Babe,
take
can-
off your clothes?
When I say authority, we never mean somebody else, you know?
Go in the room and take off your clothes
Do
now.
not talk to you the same, I don't feel like you're too nice.
Devante, go in the room and take off your uniform.
Our child will not name Levante. Okay.
Jessica, go in the room and take off.
Our child will definitely not name Jessica. But time to tell you.
Whatever I try name. Go in the room and take off your clothes now. And don't let mommy beat you. Okay? Because mommy don't want to.
Anytime we're going to be here, see? You
Do
know,
you think me gonna be a good mom?
I don't know. You see, anytime.
Do you think me gonna be a good
I
mom?
don't know.
How you if you don't know?
You see, anytime if they come and like you do ranks and like you do the schooling, they don't go so. And they don't go so.
Babe, stop it, girl. Babe, you're gonna cheat repeat if you take me for Papi show?
But me not gonna teach you. I don't want to teach you. I was just like, I'm gonna teach you for
Babe,
that.
I don't know if they gonna be a good mom.
Bro, why everything you have to take so personal, man? I ask me 5 million questions every day, man. Me ever be say that seriously? Me ever say that seriously?
Baby,
You know you need me in your
baby,
life?
take off your
You need
clothes.
friends.
Baby, take off your clothes and don't let mommy say this one more time. Cause mommy will cry. Baby, can't do it. Baby, need training.
No, you're good. That's why I got big up balance.
Bro, when we become a mother,
I'm about to do that stamp food thing there, can we see that come?
You hear me, sir? Yeah, you hear me say if you know?
You see why I'm gonna do this now?
It was actually a prank that I was doing.
So me feel. I don't know.
Why you being weird to me? I'm joking, it good. It is actually good. You feel good.
Me have time to follow up you. If I go in there 1 second and come, that is my good word for the day. My sign, my paper for sure I was present at work, I'm gone.
Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100k. Bye guys.